people are like, is that your real hair? Oh my gosh, your hair is so pretty. I wish my hair was that long. It's not real. If you're looking to switch up your look, but you don't want to commit, you don't want to straighten, it's like effortless and just wake up and go, got you. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very super easy, quick, affordable, protective hairstyle. You can call it cornrow, Dutch, French, inverted French. If you're looking to switch up your look, you're looking to like grow your hair, you're just sick of your curls right now and you just need a break, I got you. This is the perfect look. If you're interested, let's just get straight into it. Alright, so my hair air dried today. There's nothing in it. I shampooed and conditioned. This is what we're starting with. Step one is just gonna be me parting it. I'm gonna do a middle part. You can do side part. And then show you the back. That's not even bad. It's not even bad. Okay, so I'm gonna start with just one side and then spray bottle. Not a lot, just enough. You have like a little more control over your hair, you know? Plus I don't want it to drip on my shirt. This is the Denman I was talking about in my other video where it's like literally broken, but it gets the job done. Just make it a little bit smoother. And then I decided I was gonna use the It's a 10 keratin spray conditioner leave-in. And also, I feel like that's never enough, so I'm just gonna spray it in my hand. I'm just gonna part, first part right there. And then split this into 3. And then as I pull this first one down, I'm gonna grab a little bit of hair from the section that's hanging down and add it to the braid. And then same thing, as I pull this over, I'm gonna grab just a little bit of hair, add it as you go down. So this, you see how it's like 3 pieces? I'm gonna take this under, and as I take it under, I'm gonna pull a little bit more hair from right here, and then just braid it down. So now that we're at the bottom, I'm gonna add a little bit more leave-in, just like that much, and you just braid. I'm gonna fix it because it totally just came out. And then you just braid it down like a normal 3-strand braid. And that is first braid. So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing on this side, and I'll just let you watch this time. doing? That was the cutest thing ever. I wish you saw that. She had like her head sticking out of the shower curtain. Like she was under the blanket. So if you want to, you can stop here. But if you're extra like me, we're gonna take it up another level. I'm gonna add a little bit of braiding hair, give myself the extra length. I don't start like up here because it gets really lumpy on me and then I lose control. So I just undo like half of the braid and then I braid it in. And I only use a little bit of braiding hair to make it look more natural. And then you just continue the braid. I want it to match and like look seamless because as you can see, I can clearly tell that it's not real. So we're gonna fluff it out. I just pull out a little bit of the braiding hair, loosen it, make it look real, you know? But yeah, this is so cute. Braid all the way down. I don't know, is it noticeable? I might go back and redo it. One side always turns out so much better and then I'm always like, no, yeah, I think I need to redo it. Definitely need to redo it. Is it the same though? About. It looks better. That's like one of the key things. I don't use gel because I don't like committing to the hairstyle. I got flamed on TikTok for saying that I don't use gel, but I don't like putting that much product in my hair. I don't. If you want it like super, super seamless and like, whew, then I would use gel. But if you're like me and you're lazy, but you want to be like cute, but like you're really lazy, no gel. For your edges though, yes. I am just gonna use some Eco. One day I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna figure out how to do the little cute curly Q swoop thing, but it's not gonna be today because I can't do it yet. I don't want to embarrass myself. Finished look. But wait, there's more. If you want to preserve it overnight, I'm just going to show you how I sleep with it. So I take my scarf and I do triangle to triangle, or corner to corner. Oh my gosh, this is stressing me out because you're watching. I place the triangle on my head and I take the two wings, I guess, tie them behind, and then I tie that. It's like a little bunny, and then that is how I sleep with it. But I'm not sleeping just yet. Do you hear the rain? I don't know if you can hear the rain. Let's get closer. Let's experience this together. Yeah, do you hear it? Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Anyway. Alright everybody, we made it to the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point, please know I love you. If you didn't make it to this point, I still love you. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Send me pictures if you try it out. Let me know in the comments if it made sense. If you have questions, ask. I got you. We're almost at 400. I can't scream, everybody's sleeping, but like I'm screaming, internally screaming. I love you and I'm so grateful. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful week this week, and I cannot wait to see you again next week.